Hey guys.
Oh wait, I don't even know you can hear
You
me.
guys can't hear it because Lexi's mic sucks, but I'm licking the mic right now. I need
really
subs now.
good.
Yo,
Yeah.
like Doug wants. Yo,
Amaranth
go
Pie,
without
same
me.
shit.
He's spitting right now.
I don't know if this is a button check or game one. It looks
No,
like
this is
game
definitely
one.
game one.
Okay.
Wow, TJ dropping the combo.
Wow.
I wouldn't have dropped that.
PT, easiest character in the game to play too. How do you even drop
God.
combos?
Other than maybe
He's really good at finding the forwarders, you know? He's really catching a lot of options off people.
that will not work against back air. That move is Omega.
The
I
thing
do
is,
want to count the up smashes that ADP lands this round or this set though.
yo, honestly, Luke, can you imagine if you had a Pokemon Center commentator? That'd be awful.
We hate PT players here.
PT is so boring.
Dude.
Oh, and the
You're talking about
back air reversal. Here
talking
we
about
go.
ADP being really good at some stuff. I think TJ is really good at dying.
Yeah.
Really good sucking ass this game, dude.
Ready to miss some combos behind.
Oh, like, dude, that fucking dash attack is so good.
Really
It covers a lot.
This matchup is not fun.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
man.
It,
Definitely is Wolf
Yeah.
favorite, I feel. Wolf just kind of covers, like,
yeah.
does well against Jar, does well against Ivysaur, then kind of keeps up with Squirtle. Fair back here, just racking on
If
damage.
that had been the tip for it, TJ would have died.
He would have lost the stock, would have exploded.
Taking 500% for every laser.
Up air covering literally everything Wolf does because, you know.
That's what
Literally
he
impossible
does,
for
bro.
him to miss.
That's what he does.
Nice
Yo,
footstool.
the footstool, super intentional.
He really helped him land.
It's only a second.
I mean, it kind of did.
I mean, he immediately got hit for it.
He still landed.
I guess.
Oh, freest combos in the West. 57% on the board right now.
That.
You know, here's the funny thing about this game right now is that this is even.
Yeah, 100%.
One down throw and Ivysaur's gonna go to town. Never mind. I think he might be out of the range.
Unless he just fucking sucks and you just can't hit
Oh,
him.
now he's definitely out of the range.
Yeah, but
Oh, but that's gonna happen.
The inside hit of up smash
Yeah.
off the top. You hate to see that for any ADPers.
Ivysaur pulls himself backwards, and then right at the end, it sends perfectly upwards for the ugliest kills ever.
Strong Wolf Nair taking that 150 or 60 or something, I don't remember. But, you know, even game. Basically a one-shot game.
ADP clearly the better player, but
You know, some people play some privileged ass, you know, baby characters.
Squirtle gets some mad moves in a row.
Trying to feel each other out right now. A lot of dashbacks from ADP, a lot of lasers.
a
too.
lot of 2-in-1 shampoo. Because they're both conditioned.
Interesting up smash attempt. Missing the fair bear, but he gets the frame trap. Keeping Hurricane disadvantage though.
Oh, light
Good.
beat.
Good up smash. Speed
I was
hope.
watching that.
Dude, what if we see another one smash?
I mean, MVP of the stream, like we've been saying before, you know?
Back here. If a Rage Release hits right now, will it kill if he gets the up air? Doesn't
Oh,
matter.
back here just covering literally everything.
Ivysaur's always gonna want to jump off ledge, so
Yeah.
it's a good back there to do.
Wolf auto cancels back here, short hop too, so it's just a good option to go for and throw out, you know? Going one up for ADP. DJ. Oh, come on. Going to game two, staying with GT, you know, not to the Hurricane, you know.
Ah, Smashville.
This is a
Good
great look
memories
if
of
you're a
this
Hurricane
stage.
fan.
And now I
don't know
hate
why
it.
you would be a
Fond
Hurricane
memories,
fan,
you
but
know.
if you were.
Back when I played a character who liked Smashville.
But there's no Lila legal anymore, you know.
It really is a shame. No, it's not.
Dude, Luke cheered 100 bits for you to get water, bro. Come on.
There's no water.
Go drink some fucking water. Luke cheered for it. He paid 10 cents. Or it's $1. I don't know how much it's how much
Who
that is.
wins the Atom versus Water matchup?
I usually
You
drink
paid
it.
$1 fee to get water.
I'll get it. Fine, I'll get some water later.
Is 100 bits $1?
I think so.
Why would you spend Why would you spend $1 for me to get some water?
I can't approach it apparently. That's pretty funny.
Back to the the actual game that no one's cared about because TJ is still playing it.
Spitting.
Who would have thought Ivysaur upping from the ledge? Spitting back, Justin. Let's go. Oh, what's that? Somebody DI'd Fox near up smash, bro? Oh, that's awesome. Sorry, we're watching a more interesting set right now, not these fucking...
I'm watching it. That was Zardef tilt. That's a strong move. That's all I gotta say.
143 on Mithra. 143!
Guys, we don't have to take commentary seriously. We don't mind.
Yeah,
Shut
no,
up. You're watching that setup too.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Back to the
You
day.
dead here?
Back to the day, yeah.
Yeah, man.
100,
This is what I do.
160, you know.
This is my profession. This is how I feed my children.
It was really bold of CJ to say Zardy. Nope, no, yep.
Yeah, no.
That's what I was expecting.
Probably just waiting for the timer to switch back, you know.
Like, I can get it starting it because, like, if you can get that one grab,
Oh,
he's dead.
Wolf
He's
Flash
dead.
dead. Water gun, we saw that earlier too. But see it once viewed again, you know.
He wasn't ready.
Dropping your auto combos. How the fuck do you do that?
Literally.
Fair.
That back air was like
gonna
a
hit
mile away from me.
Oh, the backwards hit of the first hit of down smash. You know, you love to see backwards hits. Can you imagine having one of those? Oh, the back air covers over the back air.
That was a forward air.
I thought you were saying back air.
Ivy forward air, yeah.
Either way, it's covering right over the move. You're getting a free back air. Dead at 60, basically. Dead at 5.
And this game is even. Out of nowhere.
Literally 1% or 0.1%.
Oh, he's dead, right? Oh, no, PJ's dead.
PJ drops those with the easiest character to get down, or yeah, down air with.
No, it's only active for 2 frames. It's hard.
Spitting.
ADP has been trying to keep his face on Ivysaur, you know, a lot of lasers. Especially a lot of Ivysaur skills over right now. But I think he might not be in the zone for anymore.
Yeah, you're looking for Razor Leaf now to confirm.
He might be in for down throw, but it doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah. Good back up the platform there, especially the jump. Oh, that's missing the down smash though. Rolling in.
Did he mean the down tilt maybe?
No, down smash is really good.
He goes for the down smash. The down smash can hit way below the ledge, and it's actually kind of cursed.
It's actually really good. It's actually really good.
But the problem is, like, if you miss it, it's a free punish because there's a lot of that.
Charizard going for who would have guessed? Wow.
That was one of the weirdest upbeat like choices I've ever seen. Like,
We've seen a lot throughout the day. We've seen a lot of ADP going for weird like horizontal side beat or up beats, and he honestly has not gotten anything off of any of them.
No. Usually he just doesn't get punished and maybe gets center stage. Yeah, -1. I like it. I like it.
Boo, Hurricane. Fuck TJ, boo.
boo! Hate that guy.
Oh, man. Wait, we go back to Smash.
Back to Smash.
That's such a
bold pick on it.
interesting
ADP
pick.
is a TJ fan. This is insane.
He wants to make it interesting, you know. He wants to like, give TJ a chance to win.
Maybe he needs to go home.
Understand. Oh, dude, Wolf ledge trapping Nair. Can we see a dash back F tilt? Nope, dash back S smash. Ooh, that's one of the 7 funnies. Top by the Gorm himself. Dash back S smash. Oh, not reflecting Ivysaur up the ledge. A lot of reverse blasters though we've seen this game because like ADP does not have a lot of space to go for his dash back lasers. So
Oh, that
Good
was
up.
such a sweet recovery.
good upbeat, and he gets reversed on TJ.
Nice back air.
Because
really did freeze
also, yeah,
TJ
he's
there.
minus one on purpose, Luke. We hate TJ in this cat.
Down smash. Yep.
Dead? Question mark?
No, not yet. But he's still got the ledge, you know. Good,
Question
good.
mark?
Nah,
Yeah, Zard back throw is
the weakest of the three, right?
yeah. It's not an amazing build throw.
Oh, he had it too. He jumped
Remember
back.
when Zard forward throw wasn't a thing?
Yeah, thank goodness they gave him that. Zard before the buffs.
Good forward air,
like,
good forward
actually
air.
bottom 5. He was so terrible.
Hurricane's only saving grace that he has good reaction, so you can definitely ledge trap pretty well against a lot of players, including Wolf. So,
TJ loves the water gun right there. If he jumps like at the edge of smash though, or not water gun.
Withdraw.
side bait. Draw, yeah.
They're honestly really bad side Bs.
Yeah, TJ's kind of a fucking idiot. So.
For real.
It's a surprise he made it this far.
I think he bribed his opponent, honestly.
ADP do really good on these air dodges and these switches, honestly, covering them a lot of the time. So.
I would honestly like to see ADP instead of going for like one reset and into a hard read, just keep PT there. You don't have that
Yeah.
many options after that.
Especially Charizard really can't get off ledge if you
Yeah,
play
like abuse
your
that
cards right.
character.
Yeah, he's coming.
They're not really gonna roll off like any. Another one of those that he will die for. He will.
Yeah, I've yet to see those
Some,
LPs work.
Some very suspicious DI. Probably shouldn't have died, but maybe he would have. Who knows? One skipper F built, so.
Strong
Hurricane,
move.
Hurricane, kind of being gifted these stocks here, so you know.
More proof that he is being paid to lose.
This stream sponsored by Make a Wish Foundation, you know.
ADP is either a huge Hurricane fan, impossible, or King Brock.
Dude, when you see a bag, you see a bag, you know. Wolf was DLC before DLC was a thing, you know. So he's making money work for him, you know.
Yeah. Tired of working for the man.
Real ADPers know he's got this in the bag.
100%. Staying Charizard right now. Maybe he'll switch soon. He's at 76 though. So yep.
He's definitely gonna start peeing really soon.
Hey, speaking of peeing, bro, and open your mouth.
Yo.
Oh, the down throw combo. Going for the S match. He's been going for a lot of those, like these last couple of sets. He's even getting them too. So. TJ respecting a lot of ADP's options because Wolf can just raw kill him right here with like some of these moves like back air.
There's no combos
Forward
here.
throw? Yeah. Oh,
TJ
whipping
never
forward
hits
throw.
those.
Oh, air dash attack. ADP. Oh, trying to read the air dodge.
Not bad.
Strong,
Oh, he's dead.
strong F
Destroyed
build,
him.
taking that. Wow. We all get one.
And I get it too.
We all get one. You know, like it
TJ's
happens.
so carried.
Dude, if you put like a hard character like Captain Falcon or like Fox or something like that, he'd be getting fucking smoked right now.
Yeah.
Yo,
That's what I'm talking about.
Yo, we got a peer in the chat. Let's go.
Strong P.
He's not. He's just in person. Why does everyone want to pee in my mouth?
You refuse the water, so
Well,
we
yeah,
assume-
exactly. You also never said no. You just kind of laughed at. You never said no.
I didn't.
Game 3, small battlefield.
This is loser's final.
Yes. Is this losers
Oh
final?
yeah.
Oh. Well,
Sorry, stream.
oopsies. I don't care that much.
It's kind of unbelievable that TJ got this far, but you know.
Especially after the way that I abused TJ and Gilly.
Probably not, because this mic sucks. Fuck you, Lux, in your shitty stream. Don't subscribe.
No, wait. I get part of it.
While we've been talking and been doing this stuff, ADP is
Actually,
literally
S-Match
just being the
reads,
better
bro.
player.
S-Match is really good at he's really good at finding those S-Match reads, honestly, on people landing.
Yeah, he caught Tasmany off the ledge to win that last set. He timed it super well. Yeah, that's what I'm
Good
saying.
empty hop, down throw, dash attack. The Wolf classics.
Oh, he wanted to catch that guy.
He's just hitting so many buttons right now.
Okay, face rolling the
It's
fucking
working, bro.
face rolling the buttons right now. C-stick is spinning in circles, bro.
You already know.
Nice upbeat, bro.
This guy is in top 3 right now.
This is our top 3.
Unbelievable.
Narrative advantage. Doesn't even try to. Down tilt's the wrong way. She's a fucking schmuck.
Up the
Either kill throw will kill here.
Up throw good. Squirtle at 82. Ready to eat one wolf boot to the fucking face.
Oh, he almost did.
Don't jump.
this is
He-
scary.
Yo, he's gonna jump, guys.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
That's
no.
terrifying.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's got to jump though.
Oh no.
Never mind, he's done.
Misangled the up B, fire wolf. You know, 'cause- oh, but the getting is
Oh.
wrong. What a fucking idiot.
TJ loves to do the roll behind and the roll behind immediately after
No,
getting a
it's the
kill,
worst.
and he was ready for it.
Fair, fair, up there, up there. 57% on the board, 67 on the board. That random up though. Very good from Pat or from ADP.
ADP proving he didn't even need that stock.
ADP proving that Wolf is unpaid DLC character. This character is bonkers.
Side B. Oh.
Dude,
Should have done it.
That would have been baller.
That
Yeah,
was so
down a
hard.
game.
Would have
That
been
makes
so
it
cool.
sexier.
ADP's really just showing that he is you know, the good player
Yeah,
here.
he's nasty.
Playing with a much worse character like Wolf.
Yeah. Oh, and
Boot to the face.
boom! You know.
Bro, what type of release is Wolf doing when he stretches his leg out like his normal length to do back air?
Because he has metal legs.
Apparently.
No, like literally.
Well, yeah.
Wow. This is absolutely crazy that TJ is like 4 entire
What's the
games
reason they
behind.
cut the bottom half of their legs off? Is it like so they can get in the paint better?
I think it has it's like space G forces.
Yeah, it has something to do with that.
It probably is because they go so fast they need to be able to move their legs.
I guess so.
But like no,
I just realized we have it in like the wrong order. TJ's player 2, ADP's player 1.
Who cares?
Yo, we did it.
Yeah, Wolf did the whole set.
I mean, look, ADP has had his tag there the whole time. So
Yeah,
we
we-
can tell who he is.
I mean, maybe it was just TJ making his tag ADP. You never know.
And playing Wolf is crazy.
Yeah. You never know.
He just Wolf would never win the game.
Oh, nice macro.
I don't
Fucking
think
idiot.
TJ would ever win with any other character.
You guys
I've
play
never lost to a 10.
That's why I
You
dropped.
guys ever lost to a 10?
I'm not.
Oh.
literally.
My
I don't think
DK's
I
beaten
ever
his 10. My Ice Climber's just beaten his PT. Twice. 2 out of 2 times.
My Kazuya's beating his 10. My Incineroar beat his PT. That's pretty embarrassing. My Incineroar
This
beat
is in losers finals.
good up
Oh,
off
good
the
job.
ledge. I mean, also fuck DJ, but you know.
Sometimes you gotta give them credit so that the next insult stings them the most.
Oh, getting his jump read by back air. Wow, who would have seen that one coming?
Wolf
Literally-
back air is literally its own character.
I was talking about Wolf Nair earlier, bro.
The
Wolf Nair
stream
and back
is sponsored by Wolf Up Smash and Wolf Back Air.
That was an interesting spot dodge.
I was gonna say empty lane spot dodge, bro. Maybe it was the deep read.
That was an interesting side B. Yo, Daniel, are you watching? Elite Grove?
Oh, missing the freest fucking boot frames. Getting forward air to result. Look at 162, bro. Just kill him.
Might as well switch off card already.
Recognizing how antsy Hurricane's being, because, you know, he's got no patience. Forward air, though. Take it.
Okay.
Squirtle at 86%. He easily can make this back, though, because Squirtle fucking easy.
That.
Telling you, bro, that's our
Ooh.
channel sponsor,
Holy
guys.
smokes. What is that
Hurricane in
move?
disbelief that Wolf grab there, but he plays Squirtle, so I don't know why he's complaining. Up airs, really just sharking. Unpunished forward air, back air, and shield. Trying to find his opening, but you know, he's chasing around with aerial. Squirtle can just poke with everything. Oh, dude, finally one of
Bro,
those.
the up these work?
And it just gave him stage control, but what will he do with it though? Will he get the kill?
I don't know how I feel about that switch off Squirtle. His Squirtle is doing really well, being really slippery, having a really hard time getting hit. putting on
punches
damage. And it's not like
absolutely obliterate.
Wolf dash attack.
now he's going Wizard. This was what was working best for him.
I think he wants to like get an explosive play to get back into the set, but honestly, he should just play solid here. There it goes.
He's back to Squirtle, but is it too late? Like he lost a lot of ground there.
70% just for playing hard that whole time.
Oh man, he might die.
Almost. Yo,
How
another
many times
footstool.
has he been footstooled off the ledge?
Ooh, so that's not almost
Humpy?
ready.
Yep. Not gonna kill though, because Ivysaur sucks now.
Bro, he's across the whole stage at 100%.
He deserved it.
Oh, misses out there. I think
ADP playing really slow and like he doesn't have to do anything right now. He definitely doesn't mind playing a bit more patient.
Here's the good news for TJ though, is that there's still 3.5 minutes on the clock. So he can take this kinda slow, which he was for a second. And if he can get back an advantage, like right here, if he can get this kill, like it's Ivysaur, anything can happen. But that's gonna be it.
Wolf dash attack takes it. Well, true to his name, Sir Suckle.
Back your bullshit! Spitting!
Spitting facts, DJ.
Last set isn't real. That's not real. Oh wait.
It wasn't even on stream, so like.
You're lucky you dodged me today.
And actual Schrodinger's